The Forgetful Bunny. Once upon a time, there was a cute little bunny named Flopsy who had a very forgetful nature. Flopsy lived in a cozy burrow in the middle of a beautiful forest. She loved hopping around, exploring the woods, and munching on delicious carrots. However, Flopsy had a tendency to forget things very easily. She would often forget where she had hidden her favorite carrot, or where she had left her cozy burrow. Despite her forgetful nature, Flopsy was loved by all the animals in the forest for her kind heart and cheerful personality. One day, Flopsy was out hopping through the forest when she suddenly realized she had forgotten something very important. She had promised to meet her friend, Peter the squirrel, for a picnic by the river. But now, Flopsy couldn't remember where they were supposed to meet. Frantically, Flopsy hopped around the forest, trying to jog her memory. She asked all the animals she met if they had seen Peter, but no one could help her. Flopsy felt her heart sink as she realized she might have let down her friend. Just as she was about to give up, Flopsy heard a familiar voice calling her name. It was Peter, standing by the river with a big smile on his face. He had been waiting patiently for Flopsy to arrive, knowing she often forgot important things. Flopsy felt a rush of relief and gratitude as she joined Peter for the picnic. They laughed and played by the river, enjoying each other's company and the beauty of the forest. Flopsy realized that even though she was forgetful, she was lucky to have friends who understood and cared for her. From that day on, Flopsy made an effort to write down important reminders and keep a journal of all her adventures. She may still be the forgetful bunny, but she never forgot the importance of friendship and the joy of living in the moment. And so, Flopsy and Peter's bond grew stronger, as they continued to make memories in the enchanting forest they called home. The end.